Now in this video we're going to look a little bit more about the WoundClot Trauma gauze. Now this would be a gauze that you would use pretty much for anybody, so whether you're just a first aider, responder, ambulance personnel, military, this is the ideal product to have. Now it's available in 4 sizes. This here is the 10 centimeter by 10 centimeter. There's also an 8 by 20 centimeter. There's a larger one which is 20 centimeter by 30 centimeter, and also a Z fold 8 by 100. So the way these work is they're very easy to use. The trauma range is in this green packaging. And if you look through on the other side here, you can see that there's easily marked notches on both sides of how to actually open it. So it doesn't matter if you tear it from the top or onto the side, it's very, very easy to open. All the information is on the front. You've also got the expiry date on there and the manufacturing date. And on the back, you've got some instructions. So yes, the instructions are there, but obviously with training, it's always a good idea to train as much beforehand as possible. To open it, all you need to do is just hold either side, little nick there, and it literally just tears open. So very, very easy just to take the top off and open the whole packaging up. Once you've done that, again, in the real world, you would have your gloves on with this because you want to make sure everything's keeps nice and clean. Open it up, and then once you've got opened, the gauze is there and it's literally just folded in half. So all you need to do is undo it. So there's your 10 centimeter by 10 centimeter gauze. Now that will be ideal for placing over a cut that size, but you can also do other things with it. You can tear it very, very easily, literally just tear it with your fingers. You can cut it with shears as well if you want. If you've got something you need to pack this into a wound, you can roll it up or fold it up if you had a smaller hole and pack that into a wound, and you can also put another piece of WoundClot on the outside. So it's very, very versatile product, unlike others where you can only really pack the wound with it. So this size, to be ideal, we put this into our community bleed kits and general first aid kits as a standard item. A piece 10 by 10 like this would mean that you can adapt any conventional workplace first aid kit into a trauma kit, because literally just adding that on, it goes over a standard HSE medium dressing, and it can turn that medium dressing into a trauma dressing very, very easily. So it can upgrade any one of the standard first aid kits. If you're choosing which of the range to have in your kit, it depends on the application, so look at what you actually like to need. For example, in our first aid kits, we'll often have the 10 by 10, smaller side, a personal side, where some people just carry one product to keep the 10 by 10, or maybe a couple of the 10 by 10s and one of the 8 by 20. That gives a good coverage. If you're going to be dealing with injuries which may be like larger area, surface area ones, then the 20 by 30 is ideal because it will cover a very large area. Again, you can cut it down, but if you had a large area to deal with, then that would be the perfect product. The most versatile one, and the length and the size of it, is the 8 by 100 because it's a Z fold, so you can literally just pack that into a wound. You can tear it off, you can cover out other wounds. You could do a large area just by applying strips over the wound, but it is more expensive, but it gives a lot more versatile in how you can use it. So have a look at the range, pick the products which work within your budget and the sorts of injuries that you're likely to come across. Contact us for more information.